make a cute little dream catcher assistant.
Hi all, today we're going to learn how to make this cute dream catcher keychain. The materials required to make this are woolen thread, a bottle. We'll have to remove this part of the bottle. You have this part, right? We'll have to remove this. I've already removed one and kept. Or if you have any rings or a circular thing, you can use that as well. Then we need a keychain rings obviously. So let's get started. Take a color thread of your choice. You can use woolen thread or you can use embroidery thread as well. Now knot it to the ring and start spinning it around the ring. Now keep doing this around the circular loop. Keep doing. After you're done, knot the ends tightly. After knotting, cut off the excess thread. Now we're going to start knitting inside. Now you can use the same color or you can use a contrast color. Now I've chosen a contrast color. Now we are going to do that star or the diamond shape inside. So now knot it to the end and knot it tightly and leave it in and out. Now keep repeating it. Make a star shape. So knot the end so that it does not move from the place. You have to do it this way. Keep doing it. Make a star shape here. So outer part you will get this pentagon shape. Now we are going to knit it inside. Insert the thread into the alternate loops here and create a star shape. After creating a star, knot it to one of the ends tightly. Now we are going to add the extensions. For this I'm going to use blue color again and I'm going to use the woolen thread itself to make a feather. Now take a small length of woolen thread and use another piece of thread to knot it. Knot it like this and cut it. Knot another piece just below that. Keep knotting like this around 10 times. So when you've knotted 10 threads like this, you'll get something like this. Now shape it properly like a feather and cut it. Make it small because the dream catcher is small already. So I've cut it like really small. You can shape it more perfectly like a feather. Suppose if you find this difficult or if you find this time taking, you can do this, the one I've done here. Instead of using a woolen thread, I have used paper in this one. So I've cut paper into a petal shaped one like this. I will tell you that as well, so you can choose which is easier and you can take that. So cut two pieces like this of the same length, same shape. Now all you have to do is place these shapes on the thread. So now since the thread is knotted here, instead if you are using this technique, you take a small piece of thread and you will place the thread, you will place these papers on the thread like this and you will have to glue it. After gluing it, you can cut slits on both the sides to give a feather effect. Like this. So this would be the other alternate for this woolen feather. You can try that as well if you find that easier, as I've done here. So now when we're done with this, now we're going to attach these to this. We can use decorative elements like stones or beads. That's your choice. I'm going to use white stones for decorating this circle, while I'm going to use white beads to decorate the extensions. Now I'm going to insert these white beads into this. After inserting the beads, I'm going to knot it to the bottom of the dream catcher. Now we're done with knotting the extensions to the ring. So this is how the dream catcher would look like. Now to this we'll have to attach the keyring. So here your cute little DIY dream catcher keyring is ready. I've added the keyring and I've added a stone in the middle to make it more beautiful. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
Do try it at home and comment about it. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe to Kulike626. See you in the next video. Bye.